Hey, this is James. Okay, now in this video I'm going to go over how to do, if you don't want to put links in your ads, how to use the Gmail autoresponder. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example first, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm on Craigslist. I'm in Atlanta and sales jobs, and this is actually my ad. It says Craigslist Black Hat training system, and you can see here in the ad that I have the ad here, but I didn't put a link in the ad. And the reason you would want to do this is maybe you just don't want to put links in your ads, or maybe that you're having trouble getting your links on Craigslist. So maybe if you're ever having trouble or anything like that getting your ads up, this is a technique you should try, and just take the link out of your ad and just put at the bottom, just put something like this, put reply to above email for more information, and then you actually want to show your email address. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'll show you the end result, or what we're trying to accomplish first, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to log into an email. Okay, and this is what people would have to do. They would see your ad, they would copy this email, or they would just click on it. And 1 second while I'm just waiting on my computer. Okay, so they would send you an email. So I'm going to compose an email and show you just how this works. Okay, so I'm going to put, saw your Craigslist ad. I'm acting like I'm a person that saw the ad on Craigslist. Okay, so I'll put okay, now I'm going to hit send. And the great thing about this is it works really well. I get a ton of visitors like this, and you don't have to automatically do anything or manually do anything. So so now we'll just wait. It's usually pretty quick. The autoresponder will and see we already got the responder back. Okay, so the email had set up in the email in the settings, it had set up the Gmail autoresponder that automatically sends back a link. Okay, and I had this email set up where it says, please continue to do your due diligence by going to the website, and then have a great day, James. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so people will just click the link, go to your site, and that's a way to drive traffic to your site. Okay, so now how do we do this? It's actually very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out, and then I'll show you how to actually go ahead and post the ad with this technique. Very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for a new Gmail account. Just kind of walk you through it. We'll call it Gmail responder. Okay, none of these are available, so we'll do GM 207. Okay, just trying to find an email that works. Okay, so just 1 second while I fill out the information here. Okay, I put in the wrong caption image, so bear with me. Sometimes these caption images are a little hard to figure out. So, okay, now here we go. Okay, this is what you want to do. Now, you don't always have to use a new email. Whatever emails you're using, you can just log into your email. And then this is very easy to set up. So, just another second while we're waiting. Apologize for the delay. Okay, now we're going to just go up here, we're going to hit settings. Okay, and under the general tab, which we're already under, I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to click vacation responder on. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's turned on, and then you can write your message. So whatever you want your reply message to be, I usually do something like this. Okay, and you can put anything you want there. That's usually something I do something similar to that. Okay, and I'm just gonna come down here and hit save changes. Okay, and that's it. So now what I would do, I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this email because I just created it. I don't want to forget it. Okay. So now what I would do is, if I want to post an ad on Craigslist, I'm just going to go to wherever I want to post the ad to. Okay, and you can do this with AdMaster as well. AdMaster actually has a feature where you can tell it to use email as reply to, and that's what you would want to check if you're going to use this feature. Just make sure that if you use AdMaster, just make sure that all the emails you're using up here, just make sure that you go into each of them and change the settings and turn on the vacation responder and put your message in. That's what you would have to do with AdMaster. But posting manually, I actually already have an ad written for sake of time. Okay, just gonna put the ad in there. Just quick. Just want to do this real fast. Okay, now here I'm gonna. Okay, I forgot to. Okay, just put in the email, the one we just changed the settings on, and then we got to make sure we check this option. It says use this email address as reply to. Do not check the middle one. Okay, don't make your email anonymous, and that's why you might want to make a new email. But don't make it anonymous because the autoresponder feature won't work if you do that. So make sure you check this one that says use this email address as my reply to, and then check the boxes you want to check. Click OK or continue, and now you can see people. It says right here in the ad, it says reply to above email for more information, and then people can click that and just email you. So that's a really good technique, and that's all you need to know. Very simple.